Hello friends, welcome you all in a new lecture. True story, system of life. This image is really close to my heart and it depicts the real picture of our life. When we were young, we were kids, we had a lot of time. We had lot of energy. After school, we used to go to playground to play. Then full evening we used to do so many activities and we were full of energy. But we had no money. We dreamed of becoming this, becoming that. I will have money, I will buy this, I will buy that. When we became professional, like we are all professional, I am a professional. I had money, energy also I have, but I lack time. And the second stage, yes friend, it is a professional life as we are leading. You will have money in this stage, you will have full of energy, but you will not know where your time is going. You lack time. Seriously friend, you are short of time. You always used to say, I am busy, I am busy, I am busy. You don't have time to talk to your friends, to your family members, even to your parents. Even you want some time for your kids, but you are not able to devote enough time for your kids. And a time will come after some time. After 60 years, 50 years, you will have time, you will have money, but you will not have that energy to do things which you always wanted to. You wanted to go to mountains, you wanted to go to this and that place, you wanted to enjoy your life, but you will have so many complications, health complications. So friends, a true success, if you want to achieve in your life, the true success is one where all the three things will be a tick mark. Yes friends, you should have time, you should have money, and you should have energy. All the three things coming together will make a perfect life. Today I have given a definition of a perfect life. This is the definition of a perfect life. So I wish from today you will try to achieve this and make your life a perfect one. Let's play a video which will motivate you and encourage you to make your life a perfect one. Fine, sir. So I hope you like the video. Remember, this is the journey from birth to death. What is life? They say it's from B to D, from birth to death. But what's between B and D? It's C. So what is the C? It is a choice. Our life is a matter of choices. Live well and it will never go wrong. So you have to make your choices well. Life is a small gap between birth and death. So in this gap, be happy and try to make others happy. Enjoy every moment of your life. So wish you all the best, friends. May you make your life a perfect one. Fine, sir.